Got a first gen 4Runner we're just doing a quick header on. Gonna swap him over to a heated O2 sensor and build him a custom catback exhaust on the thing. He's gonna be pretty happy. Just rolled in from Florida. It's still hot. So one thing that's really handy is a stud installer. One thing that's literally almost necessary is new hardware. Always get new studs when you're putting the header in. The old ones fatigue, bad with heat, they stretch, they get brittle. It's always a good idea to do new studs. Really light torque on them, maybe 10, 15 foot-pounds. Nothing crazy. And then the nuts go to about 33 foot-pounds. That easy. You just on if you got a ratcheting wrench from underneath, get a little more swing out of it. Pretty good. Can't really get a socket on it. That primary tube's in the way. Got in this 86 4Runner out of Florida. We did a header, custom full exhaust on it. We did the upgraded heated oxygen sensor. This has the one way up on the manifold that gets its heat from the exhaust itself coming out of the engine. The 4-wire heated ones are a little bit more efficient, so we put a good Denso one on it. Oh yeah, we did door seals on it too. And that's really it. Found some wiring issues along the way, fixed them up for the guy, but other than that, she seems like a good runner.